Hi, I'm Quill Bullock. I'm helping my grandfather at the Wandering Bull, and today we're going to be going over the Hairpipe necklace kit. So you're going to open the bag, take this sheet of paper out, and if you turn to the back, you'll see that it has two diagrams, and it says tie a knot or put tape on one end of the lacing to keep the beads from coming off while you work. So now that you've read that, this is the finished product, and let's see how you actually make it. So I'm just going to do like a normal knot. Make sure that you can undo the knot because you're going to need to undo the knot for the next couple of steps. Now, what it's going to ask you to do in step number 2 is it says string 10 crow beads onto the lace as shown or create your own sequence. So what you can do on this diagram, it shows you doing red, black, red, black, red, black. And you do that 10 times. So you do red, you do 5 of each color. So I'm going to quickly do just 4 of these just to demonstrate how it should look. So once you've got them on, then you push them to the side and you'll see that it's black, red, black, red. And on the finished product, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now once you have your 10 beads on like this, or the pattern of your choice, you are going to get one of these like hair pipe pieces. And what you're going to do is you're going to lace the hair pipe through here, through the shoelace, and do that all the way down. So then it kind of stops these beads from coming out. So now you're actually going to look at the instructions again, and you're going to look at number 3. String a hair pipe followed by 4 crow beads as shown or on your own sequence. What you're going to do is you're going to get the black bead, then you're going to put that on first and put it all the way down to the hair pipe piece. Then get the red piece. Get 2 red pieces. 2 red beads. Then string it all the way down. And then you get another black piece, a black bead. And you're also going to string that down. And then once that's finished, you're going to get another hair pipe piece. And you're going to put it on and do the same thing. Repeat that 8 times until all of your hair pipe pieces are gone. So now I'm putting my last hair pipe on, and I'm going to put this on. And you can see the pattern that I've done just all throughout all of these. And so I'm going to put that on. And then instead of doing the bead pattern that we've been doing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at number 5. String the last 10 crow beads, reversing the pattern in step 2. So what that means is you're going to take the side without a knot. This is the side with a knot. And you're going to basically like mimic this. So you're going to want to mimic this and do an exact like mirror replica. So you're going to look, what is the first one right here? It's black. So then you're just going to go black, red, black, red. And so once you've done all 10 beads in sequence, then you can untie this knot and tie like a square knot or any knot that you want. Okay, so now I have 10 beads right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I have 10 beads right here. So now I'm going to go and try and even this out. So I'm going to undo this knot. And then after I undo this knot, then I'm going to put the 2 ends together, and then I'm going to say, okay, this is not even at all. So I'm going to bring this up here, and I'm going to hold it. And then just, you can put it on the table, or if you're doing this at home, on any flat surface, or you can like do it in your hands if you're like at like a powwow or something. But so keep these in like this and try and even them out. And you can see that I'm like sliding a couple pieces at a time, because if I tried to slide the whole piece at once, it would, you'd see it does not work. Okay, so now that I have this more evened out, you can tie a knot, and then I cut the ends on this one because it was super long, but then you have your finished necklace. If you want to make this at home, you can go and go to the wanderingbull.com website, and you can buy this as a kit. I'll see you next time.